When we listen to rock music, we think of electric guitars, powerful drums, and raw energy. Rock music is all about attitude, power, and excitement. But what if I told you that a small 4-stringed instrument could also bring that same energy? That instrument is the ukulele. The ukulele may be small, but it has a big, bright sound that can add a new twist to your favorite rock songs. From acoustic ballads to heavy metal, the ukulele can add a touch of charm to any performance. So ask yourself this: are you ready to rock? Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to this ukulele series for children. This is Series 2, Lesson 3. Today it's all about rock music. I grew my hair out for this. How's it look? If you have a guitar pick, I would go get that now. We're going to be learning a few rock riffs that I have transferred from the electric guitar to the ukulele. Let's start by playing an A minor chord. I like to use my second finger here, my middle finger on the 2nd fret, top string. Let's do some fast strumming. Can you go faster? Too fast! We're gonna be playing these rhythms called eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You can count playing eighth notes by counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try strumming again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're playing A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Can you try that? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. When I say stop, I put my hands on the strings like this. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Now let's go to a C chord and do the same thing. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Whoop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. It's hard to stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Now we're gonna play the chord D major. D major is the one that's 3 in a row like this. We start on the 2nd fret top string, 2nd fret 3rd string, and 2nd fret 2nd string. It's like these 3 in a row. You can also hold one finger and just press it down like this. Let's try our rock 8th note rhythm on the D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Okay, now we're gonna go to an F chord. Probably know that one. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Did you get the stop part? Let's go around again and do a little pause after each chord. Starting on A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and switching to C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and switching to D major. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and switching to F major. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now what we're gonna do is play the same chords, A minor, C, D, and F. We're gonna go a little bit slower, and we're not gonna do a stop. We're just gonna switch right to the next chord and see what happens. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C. 2 and 3 and 4 and D. 2 and 3 and 4 and F. 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's hard to switch without having a space in between chords. It's okay if you need to pause between switching chords. Sometimes it takes longer to switch to like a D chord or an F chord. Now we're gonna play a little riff called Eye of the Tiger. This is from a movie about a boxer called Rocky. To play Eye of the Tiger, we're gonna need to play an A minor chord, a G chord, and an F chord. Sometimes I'll say major, and sometimes I'll just say the letter name. For example, F or F major. It's the same thing, F and F major. Sometimes we just leave out the major part. To play Eye of the Tiger, we're going to play A minor first. And then we're going to play A minor, G, A minor. Okay, so it's like we start by playing A minor. And there's like, you can do a rest there if you want. A minor. And then A minor, G, A minor. Okay. A minor, G, A minor. Then you're going to do another A minor, G, A minor. Okay. And then A minor, G, F. There are some rests in between each part, so it goes A minor, rest, A minor, G, A minor, rest, A minor, G, A minor, rest, A minor, G, F. So let's go through that again. A minor, rest, A minor, G, A minor, rest, A minor, G, A minor, rest, A minor, G, F. If this video is helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. Now let's play a riff called Smoke on the Water. It sounds like this. In order to learn some rock riffs or melodies, we need to learn to read this thing called tablature. Tablature is just a line and number system that shows us where to press down on the ukulele. So the numbers represent the frets, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the lines represent the strings of the ukulele. We're not going to get into tablature too much today, but I plan to make a video about it in the future. When we play Smoke on the Water, we're just going to play the bottom 2 strings. Try that on your ukulele. It's harder if you don't have a pick. You gotta play harder. So to play Smoke on the Water, we're gonna first start by playing 0, 3, 5. Okay, 0, 3, 5. I'm using one finger to hold down 3 and 3 like this. That's the 3rd fret here and the 3rd fret here. And then I just slide it up to 5, squeezing really tight. So 0, 3, 5. Then it goes like this, 0, 3, 6, 5. Okay, so that's 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. And then it goes 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. You might have dots on the 3rd, 5th, and 7th fret that can help you to find the notes quickly. So again, that's 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. The hardest part might be if you're holding the ukulele up with your hand like this, and when you have to go to 3, you're like, how do I do that? If your thumb's up really high like this, you're gonna have to move it down and then go like this to do 3 and 3. So basically you just slide your thumb down till it's on the back of the ukulele. Looks like this. Which means you'll probably have to hold it a bit tighter with your picking hand. I was holding the ukulele up with my fingers like this. See? You can use other fingers if you want to try that too. Or you could use 2 fingers like this. Side by side. Do what works for you. Do you need more content for learning? Finding quality arrangements and sheet music can be difficult for beginners. This is why I've created a digital library of music that is helpful for students. You can find these arrangements on my Patreon account. As a member, you'll have access to my digital music learning books, custom arrangements that I make for my private students, YouTube arrangements, and tons of jam tracks. Visit my Patreon account and become a member today. Your access to high-quality digital sheet music is just a click away. The last riff we're gonna do is what I like to call the rock and roll riff. just like Smoke on the Water, we're gonna play the bottom 2 strings together like this. Let's push down on the 2nd fret, 1st string like this. But also play just the bottom 2 strings. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna move to the 4th fret now. Same string, so we're in 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Let's go back to 2. And then back to 4. And switch back to 2. 4. And back to 2. Now let's just play each one 2 times like this. 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4. Oh, I missed one. That's okay. The show must go on. Now I'm moving 1 finger around, but it might be best to actually do 2 fingers like this. The pointer finger for 2, and then your ring finger for 4. Back and forth. 2, 2, 4, 4. Pointer finger, ring finger. You can also keep your pointer finger down while you go to the ring finger note, the 4. So I'm holding my pointer finger down while I go to the 4 with my ring finger. Thank you for being here with me today. I hope that this video is helpful for you. Please check out the next video in this series because I have so much more music I want to teach you.